Welcome to the Tunis Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Each other. This is the Tunis Shop channel. We are here at Loftus Ferrisfield, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Esperance 0. My brother, how's it?
Yeah, I'm happy for it.
About the game or about
about the supporters. I'm so fucking I'm happy. Tweet, yeah, wait, tweet,
yeah.
So guys, unbelievable. Tuesday, Sundowns stadium at 3 o'clock, but we let go. Just that was tough, ne? So that's why I'm happy. I'm happy for that. Now, back to the game.
Yeah.
I'm happy win. I'm sad or but try la blind.
But really.
Cho. Sundowns is the matchup. I Brenda Stadium.
Oh yeah.
Yes, Brenda. Yes,
Sabayelo, yeah.
Sabayelo. Those people.
Yeah.
But not from Norway. But I'm South Africa. But expect that hore bona. Rebon and Chuba or right. Tunisians, guys, this is bad. This is bad. Now Sundowns, people think Sundowns were bad or Sundowns supporters were bad. Tunisians supporters, guys,
they bullied you.
Guys, they did bully. These people from North Africa, they come here and bully us. So I was sitting at the whatever grandstand. Kuskupu. I have to run all the way
to the opposite side.
Yes, because you know why? I saw our flag going down. Joe. And I was like, man, these guys. And I'm Tunisia. But like
imagine.
Imagine. So how can these people come from Africa? Or whatever, not Africa. Yeah. How can they come from Tunisia
North Africa, yeah,
to South Africa and then disrespect? This is bad, guys. I'm telling you, if not Sundowns, it will be Pirate or Chiefs or whatever. Guys, this is bad. These guys, they must respect South Africa. It's like somebody come in your house and kill your kid. And then you say, okay guys, okay, it's fine, let's talk to them. Talk to them like what?
Yeah.
Mamelodi.
Yeah.
These people, they came here and they pull out our flag.
Yeah.
Our banner. The one that we paid. Our people have to serve or have to work the whole day. Not 2 minutes. I don't know who came here to do those flags. And then if that guy sitting there and see people come from Tunisia and tear off that flag, and he won't even smile. I was not there, but I was not there when they did that flex.
But you were there when they
teared off. I was like, guys, this is not what we have to do. Guys, I went to Tunisia, not Tunisia. I went to Egypt. I went to Morocco, and then we want, or they won't allow us to do this.
Yeah.
This thing.
Because of America, yeah, peace lovers. You can't do that. Especially away.
Mamelodi, you can't leave South Africa. You can't leave South Africa.
Yeah.
You go to Egypt. You go to Morocco. You go to Algeria,
Tunisia,
and then you disrespect those people. Once you pull off their flag, Mamelodi,
they'll come for you. Yeah.
They will come for you.
Exactly. Yeah.
Those people, they will kill you. Here we say, oh sorry, our police. Yes, ergo say something. Ergo like a swan. That means one borile. That means the police are in position. The police are like a short. It's Sundowns. Another police are like I'm pushing. I'm going to Sundowns.
Yeah. Low pusher.
That man would like anger. No, pushes the hore. Okay, sharp.
No lamula.
I will next la mole fuck all. Next Louis. Next Ferite, our thing good Jimu, those guys never fed a morena. Never video, never life.
Oh yeah.
Came up once a fellow guys.
This is what is happening.
Yeah.
So the police are like
the police are not from nowhere. But police are that guy. Yes, I think I'm missing the much sleeping in the man.
They win your promotion.
Yeah, that man was on Begi Tele. That man was on. Yeah, Sandawana wala man. No, wala. This is touchy. Because this thing, guys, whoever is listening, it's like a whoever is listening to what I'm saying, I'm not just talking, guys. Enjoy Rising Kamara Stadium, after Rewina is boring.
Big time.
Got those people from North Africa. Pizzo said it. They like to bully us. And they are still bullying us. Who's gonna tell them we're about to bully?
No one. And then just going forward, you're going to play them in the second leg away.
Yes.
Do you think you're gonna be also bullied the way you were here again?
It's gonna be tough.
Especially away.
No, you're not tough. You know why I'm saying it's gonna be tough. Okay, Rowena or 1-1, 2-2, but it's gonna be tough. Those people are not that they're not human beings. Those people are criminals. Those people are, I don't know, they are animals for it. Those people can come here in Loftus and plant a bomb. They can throw a bomb in Loftus. On North African, for it, I'm telling you, Chiefs gonna be there. Pirate, I don't know what's gonna happen tonight. You'll experience. Pirate will experience this tonight. They will see. We'll see what's gonna happen tonight.
No.
But these people from North Africa, people said it. They must respect South Africa. But this is South Africa, and our South African people.
We are too soft.
We are too soft. They say no, don't worry. Worry.
Yeah.
Kanjani for what vita mo to bon. Oh, I'm flyer in Joe. Joe, okay. Do you know Sundowns paid people to do that flex?
No, remember, Joseph. These people they don't understand when they come in our country. We welcome them very well. And remember, those people, they are not from Tunisia. They are from here. They were Kim Marava.
They know South Africa.
Phones and then blah blah. Some of them we knew them. And then if they react like that, Josie, I don't know.
The next time,
we don't fight. We don't fight.
But now, what do you think? What do we have to do? We have to do this. You know why? Ergo something. South Africa, not Sundowns now. I'm talking about South Africa
as a whole.
What happened tonight is what's happening in South Africa. You get me? These people are bullying us in our land. And you people, you want, not Josie. Guys,
we are a peaceful nation.
Peaceful gonna kill us.
Remember,
you know why? Let me tell you. We're gonna be peaceful people until we die. And then once we die, we're gonna be dead.
Thank you so much.
We are a very peaceful nation. Let us not instigate violence.
Okay, sharp.
We should never allow violence, understand, to spread through our veins. You understand?
So if
no. I gave you a platform, so I want to support you somewhere. There's a point that you made, and very accurate, that a person cannot leave his own country, go to another person's country, understand, and disrespect the people of that particular country. It's like when umakhelwane, you can't leave your house and you go to another person's house and you disrespect that person in his own yard. You understand? So this is a message to the Tunisian team, Esperance de Tunis. We love you. You are African. We love Africans. You understand? We love Africans. You understand? From South Africa up north. You understand? But this was wrong.
It was wrong.
It was very wrong. So to the Tunisian people had to retaliate. You understand? Why do you even have to go inside with a pepper spray? How did you get inside these gates?
Exactly.
There's something that blasted like a bomb. How did you go through security with that? That one will deal with it internally here in South Africa. But to the Tunisian people, those who are injured, we say we are sorry for that.
And South Africans who are injured?
sorry for them.
Also, yeah.
This incident, it's more or less the same like that one here, Ellis Park with Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs. You understand? My man, we don't want to lose a life. There was somebody hanging.
Yeah, I saw him.
Somebody from our side helped that particular person. All we value is life.
Only, yeah.
This is just a game. Why do you have to be that angry?
Exactly.
You understand that you lost 1-0. You understand? Your team can do better the next time when we reach Tunisia.
But
you understand?
Okay.
So, man, what I was supporting you with was you can't leave a house and disrespect another house. Each and every country has got its own laws.
Exactly.
So we need to adhere. Once I board a plane to Tunisia, I need to be like what happens in Rome. Like I've got to respect the people of Rome. So when I arrive in Tunisia, I've got to respect the Tunisian culture, Tunisian everything. You understand? So what they did here to the president of Tunisia, to the president of Tunisia. I don't know how to say this in English, but this is what I can say. What you need to do is call your people to order.
Seriously.
This was very deadly.
Bad.
I risked my life. I risked my life for protecting Tunisians. You understand? I don't like a camera for me. I risked my life. I left my people. I go like, no guys, let me just go there and try to
protect them.
So we helped the South African Police Service. We helped the security services. Not all South Africans are like that.
Thank you so much, my brother.
So tell me, if I go to Tunisia, do you think these people will protect me like you did?
Some of them.
Let's hope so.
I'll be dead, man. You'll bury me, I'm telling you. These people
You'll come back alive. Let's hope that they'll see this.
They'll bury me alive.
Alhamdulillah.
Hala, hala.
Hala, hala.